All right, guys, how you doing? This is Dave. We're back post Showdown. I'm sorry I didn't have any real video of the Showdown other than that one pass. Once again, very busy out there, just keeping things moving. It was a great event. We had a huge amount of cars turn out. A lot of people watching. Was very lucky. Got a very nice day. Back in the garage, and I can finally say that I have figured out what the issue is on the SS with the problems that it's been having. Definitely throttle body related. You can see the Cutlass is slowly losing parts on it. The rear is out of it. I'm getting most of the suspension stuff out of it. Just selling parts off of it. As sad as this is to say, she is going to eventually be completely parted out, and you know, I'm going to move on from it. You can see there's a baby seat now where the engine was. I still got the Treadstone intercooler, but most of the suspension is gone. I'm actually going to be pulling the fuel cell out of it. Got my numbers on here on the SS. I got to clean up, but I'll be pulling this guy out today. This was sold. I'm going to actually be delivering it to somebody. But most of the stuff that we're going to talk about today is about this guy right here. Very simple swap. This is the original throttle body that was on it. Boosted problems, but this solenoid that's in here that controls the flapper gets weak, and once that happens, that's pretty much the end of it. So I was lucky enough that at the race, Andrew from CSP gave a call to somebody, I believe his name was Eric, and was able to get me another one. And let me pop her open here. Hold on. Got about 8,000 keys in my pocket here. Hold on, it's here somewhere. So I'm gonna be. Now wait a minute. Where in the hell? There they are. All right, let's try this again and unlock it. All right, just get this open. I can show you what's doing. Trying to clean this mess of a garage up. There's all my time slips in the console there. You know, kind of annoying that I can't make a decent run at my own event, but someday it'll happen. Okay, so we're in here, and you can see right there is a throttle body that I was lent for the event. I was able to get one pass on it. Definitely was able to do a big ass burnout on it. So it definitely solved the problem. It's actually a cascading series of problems, ultimately fed from the throttle body being the main issue. So once I hurt the throttle body because of the traction control type of oddities in the 16 and 17. Once I roached the throttle body the first time, it just kept getting worse and worse. And eventually I got a really bad backfire that jacked up the mass airflow sensor. So then I had the mass airflow sensor problems. And then on top of that, and this is just good old, you know, make do with it, get it done. But got this harness here that was not necessarily a problem. Repinned it, but for some reason, and this is just stupidity. I don't know why this was done this way, but somebody like cut it, wired it, and then I ended up just repinning it anyway. It was pretty dumb, but these are really simple. I ended up just getting a new one of these, you know, repinning it properly, and now it fits real nice in here. So let's get this out, and I'll show you the differences. I got a brand new. Actually, you know what? Before I do that, let's go right here, take a quick look, and I got another throttle body, brand spanking new, offline. Nice genuine GM product, so let's flip it over so we can all see it and admire the greatness. But I got this one offline, Amazon, and worked out pretty nice for me. Uh-oh. What are you doing? Uh-oh. What's this guy want? All right, hold on, I gotta chase these guys out. There's riffraff in my garage. Whoa, watch the camera, watch the camera. All right, get out of here. I don't condone child abuse. When they're messing with cars. All right, Daddy's filming. I'll be out a little bit. Oh, God. Hey, that was a cheap shot, dude. Oh, God. All right. Leave me. Hey. That stick doesn't go there. All right. Truce. All right. I'll be back out in a little bit. All right.
Stop it.
Let me finish filming what I'm doing, and then I'll come out, okay?
Hello.
Hi, YouTube. All right. Please stop. That's actually starting to hurt. All right. I'll be right back, all right? I'll see you guys later. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
All right.
Bye.
Close that, lock it. Okay, so we got a real simple side-by-side here. Whoop. This is a not sponsored video. Yeah, I got 2 kits for sale if anybody wants it. So this is a brand spanking new throttle body. Literally, nothing looks different. It comes with all the sensors, everything ready to go. And this is the guy that gave out on me. You can definitely feel, they feel about the same, just something funky with that motor. So what we're gonna do is pull the black one off of here, get that guy off, get that guy that's there boxed up in there, and then I'll send it back to the guys at CSP, and hopefully we'll be off and running again. So stay tuned, let's get this done, and take me real quick, so we'll do a quick time lapse and get right back to chatting, all right? Talk to you soon. So that's installed back in. Let's get the plug. Click, done. All right, let's get the intake. It's basically just a plug and shoot, boom, back in. This is a bit of a pain in the tuchus, only because getting this lined up right where the way I want it, I always seem to screw this up. So I apologize, I'm blocking your view. Here's how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna kind of just, and I apologize if I'm blocking your view with my arm here, but I want to get it so that I feel like I've grabbed enough rubber on here, and then it's just a matter of squeezing her down. That's pretty good. That's pretty darn good. All right, and then we get this guy, lock it in, boom, done. Literally, that is it. So that's done. New throttle body in. Would say we give her a little rip here, see if I can get her to start up. Okay, so there you go. Simple as that. That took maybe 10 minutes tops to do, and that's because I was yapping. She's running well. Not sure if I'll be able to get to the track anymore this year. I do have to get a little bit different tire. These guys, you can see, you probably can't hear me too well, but these guys just aren't cutting it anymore. So the M&H Race Masters just are not giving me enough of a contact patch, so I'm gonna go to like a 305, 45, 17. I'm gonna roll the fenders. I'll do a video and all that good stuff. But yeah, guys, I'll do some driving videos, stuff like that, but stay tuned. We'll have some more stuff. We're getting kind of into the doldrums, but I'll try to get to the track at least 1 or 2 more times before the end of the year. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.